today Grandpa and I are going to do a taste test on these new Kit Kat candies that came out for Halloween called Witch's Brew. We never had these before, so we're looking forward to seeing how they taste. It says, Witch's Brew, crisp wafers in marshmallow flavored cream, natural and artificial flavors. Serving size is 2 packages, 140 calories, and only 25 sodium, so that's not too bad. Right? There must be an easy way to open it. I think over here. Here, this is the way you're supposed to open it. Okay, you have one. And I have one. Oh, isn't that cute? With the little witches on the front. Okay, now let's see how they taste. And what they look like. Oh, they're green. The cream is green color. Well, let's see, Grandpa, how they taste. Well, this is not my favorite. But if you're a marshmallow lover, then you'll like this because it has mainly a marshmallow flavor with the crispness of the cookie, right?
Yes, marshmallow flavor with crispy inside filling. They're good, but I'm not a marshmallow fan.
Not my favorite. Do you think they taste like a witch's brew?
I don't know. I don't know what a witch's brew tastes like. Never had one before. All I know is they got a marshmallow flavor, crispy inside, different from the regular Kit Kat.
I still like the original, or the dark chocolate mint is my favorite. But
Right, I prefer the original.
these were fun to try, but I wouldn't buy them again at all.
No, I wouldn't buy them again either, but I'd give them out for Halloween. Kids would like them.
Because a lot of the kids like the marshmallow, even the marshmallow cereal. I know some of them that like that. So they would like this. Well, it's not good for old people like us. That's what I'm going to do with the rest of the bag. I'll put it in the trick-or-treat bags that I make every year.